Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a blockchain account and how to send and receive money in blockchain account. But before creating the account I will tell you about blockchain account and how to use it. As you know, our money transaction system become computerized and you can buy anything from any website in the world. You can also make transaction from your debit and MasterCard. A blockchain wallet is an application that allows many people to store and transfer cryptocurrency as a payment to any part of the world, and you can give and receive money from any website with less time and fee. If your business is online and you can earn money from online systems, so you must have a blockchain account. To create blockchain account, simply go to your browser, search www.blockchain.com, click sign up, fill sign up form. Your password must contain this. Click terms and condition. Click create wallet.
Now the blockchain account is successfully created. Now we need to verify this blockchain email for proper use. So during creation, blockchain automatically send email for verification which email we mention in during the account creation. So for verification I go to my Gmail. So here it is, the blockchain email. We need to verify this. Here he can say yes, I confirm this in my email address. I click on it and you can see my blockchain account is successfully verified. So I go back into my blockchain account. So for next time login, we need to verify the unique ID which we need to use for login. For saving the unique ID, go to the setting, click general, and here you can see your wallet ID. This is very important. If you forget this wallet ID, you cannot recover your account, because in blockchain we don't have the option to recover the password. So I save this blockchain ID in a notepad. For next time use. Now it's time to send and receive currency via using blockchain account. For sending or receiving, we have these two options. First we select request option, where we send our unique ID code to receiving any kind of currency which you want. So here you can see all the options which is available, means to say which blockchain supported. So for example, I select this one, Bitcoin, and here is my this account unique ID. You can simply copy this and send for the next person who want to send you blockchain in your this account. So this is very simple step. And for sending, you can click on the send option. Here you can see which currency you want to send, means which currency is available in your account, and you can simply send it. So here is the options you can select, and select the account option, trading or private key. Here is the key which the second person send you, same like we can see in the request option in our previous method. So you can simply click on it, and here you can put the amount. So the blockchain automatically calculated according to the blockchain how much Bitcoin it is. For example, I select 10, so it can say it is 0.0002 BTC. You can simply write optional note for verification or for reminders and click on the continue. So you can easily send your money via using blockchain account. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more latest tech information. Except this, if you face any kind of problem, you can share with us in the comment section. We will read all the comments.